Master.
Hello, P-pop fans. Good evening, po. And yes, this award is given to the artists who bring out the exceptional potential of becoming a promising artist to this generation. And the 10th P-pop Music Awards P-pop Potential awardees are, we have 3 winners. Congratulations to YGIG. So on behalf of YGIG, we accept this award and it will be given later. And our next P-pop. I'm sorry.
First of all, we'd like to say thank you to P-pop Music Awards for awarding us with the P-pop Potential Award. Sa tinagal po naming group, first time po namin manalo sa P-pop Music Awards. Kaya, thank you so much. Nagkakacomeback lang po namin. Extra special. Maraming salamat po, P-pop Music Awards!
And our next 10th P-pop Music Award.